Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, let me now start from the monthly levels over here. You can see here if I start drawing a fib retracement from this swing low to this all-time high. So this is where we are getting the 50% of fib retracement zone. Okay, and also this low over here is the low of the previous month as well as low of the previous week as well. Okay, and you can see this is one more external range liquidity area, the low of previous to previous month. Let me switch back to weekly time frame over here, and you can see that this low we have marked as a low in monthly as well as weekly time frame, which can act as a strong support. And also exactly somewhere nearer to this we are getting this 50% of fib retracement zone as well. And this is one more external range liquidity that I have drawn over here, which is little too far away. Okay, and which all indicates that price may take support and start moving upside. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Okay, in the 1 hour time frame I have this sell side imbalance or the fair value gap. Okay, and there is this order block coming as well. Okay, and we have the swing high marked over here. If I switch to 15 minutes time frame, you can see here price started to take support, or after collecting the liquidity just below this monthly and weekly low, and also this 50% zone over here, price starts sustaining above this level. Okay, that's the first indication. If I switch to 5 minutes time frame, I can see that this is where there was a huge sell side imbalance is there, and then you can see that this is a very good block where price can be rejected once again. You can see that after this huge fall, price took support exactly at this area and started moving up, and then price opens gap up today as well and starts sustaining above the yesterday's close. You can see here that's a good indication that price may start moving up. And if I try to mark the opening price as well, this is where the opening price. Okay, this is the opening price, and price came down and make a low. Okay, and then move towards the days high. Price started to trade above the opening price, which indicates that it is going to further move up, right? Because if you look at today's daily candle, so if the price is already made a low, what is pending? Open low, high close is pending, right? So high should be above this candle's high itself, right? So based on that logic, once this rejection has happened, in this candle, I have entered somewhere here on top of the opening price and then added my last quantity here, and then captured this portion over here. This was my trade today. Okay, so with that I made a profit of around 2400 in Dhan, and in Zerodha I have traded as well. There I have made a profit of about 6000. So it's a overall 8500 of profit for today. And with that, let's dive into our live trading session and see how I managed the trades and what was the psychology, and to learn something from there. See you there. Thank you. Hi everyone. Welcome back. So price after opening, you can see that it made a little bit of low and then started trading above the opening price. And everybody can see here a head and shoulder pattern, but then you can see that price is thinking different. Okay, it made open low and then it is going to make a high and close, right, above the today's uh, opening, right? So based on which I will try to go long here. I will still wait for further confirmation and see if price starts trading above the day's high, and then after that I will wait for a pullback to initiate the long trade. So that's the plan. We'll see. We'll let you know if I take any trade. You can see that the price has closed strongly above the day's high, which indicates further bullishness, but then not a good idea to take the long side entry right away, so that Looking at the yesterday's volatility, it can um, it can ask for a big stop loss, right? So instead of that, let me wait for a pullback here and try to initiate a trade. Okay, we'll let you know if I take any trade. You can see that it touched the opening price and there is a sharp rejection from the bottom. So which indicates a long entry from here. I'll try to enter here into 50,700 call. I'll try to buy here 150 quantity of 51,700 call here, guys. Just bought, and we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Let me place here the stop loss, guys. So remember, whenever the volatility is a little higher, stop loss may increase a little more than the usual days, right? So I'm thinking today is one of those days where we might need to consider, bigger stop loss. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. That took away my stop loss for the partial quantity of 90. We'll get a better opportunity to enter at the lower price. I'll try to add back the quantity here. I have added back the quantity. Now it is 150 quantity, and we can see already a little bit of spike in the premium as well as chart is moving, guys. You can see that we recovered the loss a bit, and then the same trade is running in Zerodha as well. So we'll try to pull once the trade is done. Okay, so we are now into green. So my idea is that, let's say whenever your first trade is into loss and then you got a chance to exit break even, so that's a good idea that you can take an exit, depending on the volatility, right? So I have exited the trade here, guys, and done, and as well as in Zerodha as well. So let me pull that also here. So it's close to 2500 profit in done, just above the break even. So let me pull Zerodha as well. So it's 6,000 of profit in Zerodha. So overall profit of around 8,500 around for today. Hope you have learned something out of this uh, live trading session. See you in the next live video in the next trading session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.